Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. You guys know I love hole-in-the-wall beads. On Facebook, Nina's group, she's awesome and I don't know how she does it. I just hit 1,000 people in my group. I think she has like crazy amount of people in her group and she has a crazy amount of beads that she sells. So and I've only done one sale. Like I don't know how she continues to do it, but anyway, she had a really cool fast sale recently. I still managed to spend way too much money. So let's just take a look and see what I got. So these were $2. It says 2 by 2. Oh, so there's two different things in here. Okay, good. That were $2 each. That's what it is. And so there was this pendant that I really don't remember claiming. That happens a lot to me. I'm just like, no, bin, buy it now, buy it now. And then we have these are painted wood beads. They're vintage. They're kind of beat up, but I knew that going into it because she provides really good pictures. I like how they're beat up and they would look really good with some African beads. I just like the zebra stripes. Makes me think of safari. Next, let's see. I have a lot of stuff in here, so let's see. There's one thing, if you're in her Facebook group, there's one thing I cannot show you because, but it's really funny, and if you were in her group you would have seen what I wrote when I claimed it. But anyway, this one, these all were $3. Let's see. I can't remember what these names were, and because I don't screenshot my stuff, so maybe this one is $2. I don't know. I don't remember. But it's so cool. You guys know this is my favorite bead finish, is this mystic coated bead finish, and it's some kind of fan. I remember that she posted that it was some kind of fan, but I can't remember. I was in the zone. I was grabbing too many claims. I love this. It's so perfect, and it's going to go right in my focal drawer. There's no hole, so I would have to wire wrap it. It is, or you can glue on a bale, I guess, but it is stunning. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Huh. Made me zone out a little bit. I got another one in a little bit different color. I think this is just a darker blue one. Oh, this is the number so she can tell which one I bid on. That's what it is, not the price. These were $3. Okay, so this one's gorgeous too. Not as eye-catching as this one, but this will be really pretty on a blue necklace. And I can also bake these into clay too. Like I can bake a bale on the top if I wanted to. So those are really gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. I also got like a little bead mix. I really bid on this just for the cinnabar beads. And I'm glad this came, and I looked at this because she had some more in her group in a current sale, and I was almost bought them, and I was like, no, I think I got some. So good. I'm glad these came in. I don't have a lot of cinnabar, and I'm really excited that I'm gonna start getting more, I think. Red's not my favorite, but coral, when it comes to coral and cinnabar, that's when I make the exception. These are pretty cool. I can't tell I think these are bone. They're painted. Those are neat. Got 2 white bone beads, some lava. This is a pretty cool little mix. Lava stones, a couple of different sizes, and some beautiful snowflake crystals. Those are gorgeous. Love that. I love the little things you find in her shop, in her group, I should say. Ooh, I forgot. I got another one of those fans. So now I have 3. And that's good because then I can actually use one of them and I won't have to hoard them. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are just so gorgeous in so different ways. Oh my gosh. My eyes just like popped. That's so stunning. These are really pretty. I do have tons of beads that would go with these too, because this is one of my favorite finishes. So I always, whenever I see beads in this finish, I always buy them. Wow, this side is so pretty. This is my favorite side. But then you look at this and you're like, is it? Yeah, That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I kind of just want to put this on my wall so I can look at it all the time. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Okay, now sorry for drooling over those. I got some Czech glass paw beads. OMG, these are the cutest things ever. I kind of had to make myself buy them because they were a little expensive for me, but they're worth it. These are so cute. These are like ombre paws in gray, like a gray blue. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oh, I need to make more doggy jewelry. I need to do like a pet blitz video. I always say that and then I don't have time to do the blitzes. And then here's the second one. It's turquoise, purple, and blue. Oh, my favorite colors. Oh my gosh. Well, turquoise and blue are my favorite. Purple, I'm warming up to purple. But oh my gosh, this is so cute. I need to make some earrings for my friend with those. And then this is all $4 claims. I got 4 things that were $4. Unfortunately, I can't show you on YouTube what one of them was. I got more fans. Awesome. Oh, this is like a, I didn't know. This was oh, I thought it was 2, but it's just 1. It's really cool. It feels like it's 2 though. This is really pretty. So it's a lot bigger than the $3 one. So cool. Past Brittany, you did a good job. I got put in Facebook jail because I was refreshing my page too much. It wouldn't let me see the albums anymore, so I had to go on my laptop to bid on albums. And then yesterday she posted such pretty albums, and unfortunately, like I couldn't get to them because I was like at work. I can't shop it while I'm at work. And when I logged back onto Facebook, I was like, oh, I missed all the good stuff, but I did get some cute things. I can't remember what this is. I can't remember, but I bought them. I missed out on one of the pendants that was really gorgeous, but I'm really happy I got my hands on these. They're not pendants, they're cabochons. So you can do so many different things with cabochons. You can wire wrap them. I'm not the best at wire wrapping cabs. I've done it. It's not my favorite thing. You can glue on a bale, and this one can go either this way. Well, that would actually be really pretty if it was this way, or this way. I guess you could glue a bale here and glue a bale here too. That'd be kind of cool. Or you can use it for, put it in clay and bake around it, make your own bezel. I bought this one because it looks like the desert to me. It looks like mountains or like sand dunes. So I thought that was just gorgeous. It looks like it's painted, doesn't it? I love cabs. So I started a drawer for my cabochons. I'm sure at some point I'll have to expand, but right now there's like 6 in there. And then there was a little bead that I can't show you guys. And then, oh, these were 75 cents each. I actually had these on an eBay wish list, so I was glad to see that she had them because I'd rather buy from Nina than eBay. They're little foxes. Laura, I bought these because I knew you would like them, so eventually I will make something for Laura. But aren't those cute? I'm going to make a mold out of one of them too, so I can make my own not crystal cabs. Sorry, these aren't cabochons. These are beads. They're pendants, but they're little foxes, little ombre foxes, and they go perfectly with these paws. So those will probably get together on something. I just finished doing my live video for 5,000 subscribers. Tomorrow or Monday, I will load a video up with information on the giveaway. So stay tuned. Make sure you catch the playback on the live because it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun today, and you'll get a sneak peek at my bead room. So there were 12 things for $1 in this one. I really am excited about these. Carmine sent me some that are similar to this. They're toggles that are the awareness ribbons. Everybody has a cause that's near and dear, and I just love that you can customize your bracelet, your cause bracelet, by putting one of these on and then choosing what color beads you want that work with it. Got some schmutz on my finger. Next we have, this guy. This is a pearl that, you know, it's cultured. It's cultured to look like a cross. There was one that was, you know, more symmetrical, but I didn't get my hands on it before somebody else did. I still think it's really cool. I have a couple small ones like this that are drilled. I don't think this one is drilled, but you can always wire wrap it. For now, it's just going to kind of go in my culture pearl drawer because it's so cool. Very interesting. Some metal beads. I always grab metal beads, you know, I like using them. So we have some with like a cross, or it could be a flower, and then we have some that look like scaly, I guess, some kind of pattern on them. Those are neat. I don't have either one of those. And then like a metal clasp mix. Very cool. Ooh, 3-strand. Oh, I keep getting these like one at a time. I have one gold one, I might have one copper one, and I have a couple silver ones, but I didn't get the 2 silver together. And then some crimp ends. Just a cool clasp mix. Very neat. Some little heart beads. You guys know I love hearts, and tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Singles Awareness Day is what I like to call it. And some, oh, these were neat. These were really cool. These are really neat. They look old. They're spacers. They might not be old, but they look old. I just really, you know, when you see spacers that, I have a lot of spacers. So there are not a lot of times when I see spacers that I don't have or haven't seen before. So when there are, I like to grab them. Whoop. Okay, literally one made it into the bag. Okay, I might have some like this, but probably not very many. And these were only $1. Very cute. I know I have some of these, but I can never get them in like a nice quantity. So they're some of my favorite metal beads. So I made sure to grab those when I saw them. Oh, I really want to see these. I think these are bales to put on to like, so you strand your item. Oh, what does it say? What does it say? It's Charmology. Okay. I've never heard of that. Charmology. Okay. That's okay. You don't have to, I mean, it's not really gonna affect me using it. But I think there are two, oh no, I thought there were 2 different styles in here, but it's all the same. Okay. Those are neat. Those are cute. You can put them between larger gemstones to make the bracelet not kind of go in the middle, if you're going to hang a charm from a bracelet. Okay, there's a couple more things in this bag. We have some pinch bales, brass tone pinch bales. We have some chandelier findings, chandelier pendants, I should say. A little southwesty-ish. And then crimp beads. I was hoping these were crimp beads. When I claimed them, I was like, I think they're crimp beads, but they're just, you know, for $1, ton of crimp beads. Awesome. Never gonna run out of those unless you're making tons of necklaces and bracelets, which unfortunately I'm not right now. Here is something that was $2.50. It's a trilobite Czech glass strand. So cute. I hadn't seen this shape, and I'm trying to grow my Czech glass collection. I have a feeling that I have a ton of Czech glass like mixed into my bead drawers. I do them usually by color, unless they're, well, all of my gemstones are by color, but they're not mixed into my main bead drawers. That's like glass, plastic, and acrylic. But I have a feeling that past Brittany incorporated all of her Czech beads into those drawers, and now I'm trying to separate them out a little bit. So these will go in my new system. These are so cool. Those are so neat. Let's see. What's this? So this was $10. It is, I think, a Buddha Labradorite Cabochon. It is, and he is awesome. Look at that. So I bought this mainly to, well, just because he was so cool. But I wanted to make a mold out of it. But now that I'm seeing it, he's got some grooves in his face. Like, he looks great as a piece of Labradorite, but I don't know that it would be a great mold. I'm still going to try it because, you know, he could look like an aged mold. Who knows? I think it's really cool. So neat. And then the last but not least item, I've seen Nina use this in some of her pictures. This was $18, so that's much more than I usually spend on anything at once. But it is an ammonite disc, so it's really cool. And I've seen her use this as a plate for some of her pictures. And I just thought it was neat and a cool thing to have in my bead studio. So it's pretty big. Let me, where's my ruler? It is almost, it's about 5.25 inches across. So she's huge. And maybe in the future I'll use it in pictures. Sorry you're seeing a glare, but I just thought it was really, really neat. Very cool. And I think she had a couple that were not as defined as this for less, but I really, really liked that this one had the full shell in each one of these shapes. So really happy with it. I would buy it again for sure. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite thing was. I think my favorite thing is this guy, these guys, the paws, the foxes, my Buddha, and this big boy. Oh my God, it makes me so happy. It's so shiny. So anyway, thanks Nina. I'm always happy with what I get from you. I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie, and I hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.